Amazon just added a new product, a sports visor. Now, is it actually worth your time? Let's find out. So here we got the latest dashboard news from Amazon merch. So these news were basically just released yesterday. Now it says sports sun visors and new comfort colors heavyweight t-shirt and long sleeve t-shirt colors are available now in the US for qualifying accounts. And for some reason my account is always qualified for new products. But I don't really complain about that. So let's check out my create page. So here we go, this is my create page. Let's scroll down. Yeah, let's first check out the new colors from Comfort Colors. The top line would be the old colors. And the new colors are these green and orange colors. They call them Fern Tie-Dye and Umber Tie-Dye. Okay. Now I must admit they do look quite interesting. And when we take a look at the pricing, yeah, just got the Comfort Colors at $24.99. So I'm getting about $5 royalties. And yeah, I think we can work with that. Then we got another color on the long sleeve. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's basically just white. That's new. And let's check out the pricing. Yeah, just got them at $29.99. So I get about $9 of royalty. But of course we are here for the new product. So let's scroll down. And here we go. So right next to the hats, we got the Sports Sun Visor. Let's click on Edit Details. Yeah, here we go. We see it really big. So the printed area is rectangle shape and in this landscape format. That's basically the same like the trucker hats or the baseball hat. And yeah, I just noticed we also get two different fit types. We got the one for adults, but also for kids. We don't have that on the baseball hat. No, we don't. And also not on the trucker hat. That's quite interesting. And for the colors, we got black, white, and on white you can see the structure of this material. It's basically, yeah, how should I call this, a sports type of material with all these holes in it so you don't sweat easily. And it's quite fascinating to me that you can also print on this material. So the color doesn't leak through these holes. Well, let's just trust Amazon at this point. Then we also got the navy blue, that looks quite nice. The royal blue right here. Then we got the red one. We get the pink one. Okay, that mock-up doesn't look pink. Looks more like a mix between purple and pink to me. But as a male, I'm not a color expert. Please write it down in the comments how you call this color. And then lastly, we got this purple. Purple? Okay, that's blue to me. Yeah, that's definitely blue. Let's check the comparison. Yeah, this is what I call royal blue and navy blue. So we got royal blue right here and this should be purple. Looks blue to me. Kind of like a darker blue or like just a different tone of blue. Maybe that's just the photograph that they're using. But yeah, I think it's great that we already have 7 different colors and also 2 different fit types. Now let's scroll down and check out the pricing. Yeah, so the standard price is $17.99 and we got $3.60 of royalties. So that's quite good. Let's set this to $19.99. Yeah, then you get $4 of royalties. Let's compare that to the hats. Got baseball hat right here. Let's scroll down. Yeah, so this hat is at $19.99 and we just got $3 of royalty. So we already get $1 more for the same price for this Sports Sun Visor. And that's great. So thumbs up to Amazon. Now let's check out the product templates. So here we got the product templates. Let's scroll down and here we go. Yeah, so we got the same product template as the trucker hats and the baseball hats. So yeah, if you already scaled your designs to the hats, then you can just put a check mark to the sun visors. Now let's do some research on Amazon. So here we are on Amazon.com and I just entered Sports Sun Visor and we got over 200,000 products for this keyword. So let's check them out. Okay, these are just plain black ones or even colored ones. Got them for $10, $9, $6. Let's see what we got here. We got the Adidas ones for $19, $22. Yeah, and this looks like the Amazon product. That's this dotted style, the sports style. And it's selling for $10. Of course, just plain and simple ones without a print. Now let's see the other ones. Yeah, we got a different type right here. We got the branded Adidas ones. And we get a video ad. Okay. And so on and so on. But I can't see sun visors with a print or graphic. So these are basically all just plain and simple. And there are some branded ones like this one from Under Armour. But I can't see the ones from Amazon merch yet. So there's a lot of opportunity right now. Now let's check out the other platforms. So here we got Redbubble. And let's just enter sun visor. Okay, that's not what I expected. Let's add sport sun visor. Okay, we get them as stickers. That's not what we are looking for. We get some more t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, but no printed sun visors. Okay, now let's just check on Etsy. So here we are on Etsy. Let's enter sport sun visor. Okay, here we go. We get the embroidered ones. Of course, we don't compete with these, but they're priced at $16.80 and $21.17. Some weird prices. Okay, we can already see that we can use these visors for pickleball. We got some more embroidered ones for $10. Okay, we got the first research idea, like this one. Then we got some more with the logos and the names. Flower right here. Very simple logos, like this flamingo. $30, okay. Okay, this one says Patriots. I think that's a football team. That's the quickest way to lose your account, so don't do that. Let's see some more. Yeah, these are quite simple. Custom text, custom design. These go for $17, $15, $12, $15, okay. Yeah, we got some more pickleball designs and a tennis design. So these would be definitely the first niches that I would offer my sunscreen visors in. But I'm not a sun visor expert, so let's do some further research. And I love to use Wikipedia to just get an idea about a thing or a niche. But yeah, unfortunately this article is not that long. So let's just ask an AI. So I just went to ChatGPT and typed in the question, where do people typically wear a sports sun visor? And let's press enter and see what we get. Alright, here we go. Golf courses. So there you got your niches. Golf courses. Oh, like, yeah, of course, the golfing niche. Next, we got tennis courts. Okay, that's what I thought. Next, we got running and outdoor workouts. That's the next niche. And then we got beach and casual summer wear. Okay. Then we got hiking, travel, and outdoor activities. Alright, so there's the next niche. So, quick summary. People wear sports sun visors mainly when it's sunny and warm, they want shade and airflow. They're doing active or outdoor activities. And yeah, I think that's the idea behind the sun visor, to get shade and airflow. Because if they just wanted shade, then they could just wear a regular hat, like the baseball hat or the trucker hat. But with the sun visor, your hat gets a little more air. Now, because ChatGPT knows me, it already asks, if you want, I can also tell you who typically buys visors. Great for POD ideas. Or what designs sell well on them. And let's just enter yes please. Searching the web. Alright, who buys sun visors? Main audiences, golfers. Biggest buyer group. Alright, let's keep that in mind. We got the target audience, especially popular with women from 30 to 65, retirees and hobby golfers. So it could be a great idea to combine a niche retirement with golf. Alright, then we got the POD angle, minimalist text, elegant fonts, country club humor. Okay. Next we got tennis and fitness women. So there you got your target audience. POD angle, motivational phrases, clean sporty branding, pastel or neutral tones. And runners and outdoor athletes. And beach vacation lifestyle buyers. Okay. Practical users, underrated niche. Includes cyclists, tourists, outdoor workers, fishermen. What actually sells best on visors? Important. Visors are not like t-shirts, okay. Yeah, 100%. People usually prefer small front designs, center or side, clean embroidered style text, simple phrases. 1 to 4 words max. Best niches for you. Golf and humor, fitness motivation, niche hobbies. Alright, so here are my thoughts on the sun visors. To be honest, I don't think that these sun visors will be the next best-selling product. The regular hats will probably sell better than these sun visors. But it's always great when Amazon adds new products, because that shows that Amazon is still working hard on the Amazon Merch program and is still believing in this program. These sun visors were definitely not on my bingo card for this year. Now if you want to see a great way to generate and edit your designs in bulk, then check out this video right here.